And he launches this one toward left. And Ludwig drifts over, took an odd route, and he miscommunicates with Hamilton. And Simmons will slide into second base on a gift. Ludwig and Hamilton got their wires crossed. And a rare Reds defensive lapse puts Simmons at second with 2 out.
He was obviously the closer to it. I didn't see Hamilton rooting for it, calling for it. And again, here's one of those breaks for Latos that can sometimes get him sideways.